Hi everyone. So I'm starting a new series and it is an Arduino education for beginners. Most of my viewers, and if you are an advanced user, you probably already know the stuff. There are plenty other videos on my channel for you. But if you are starting from scratch and want some videos for beginners, this is the series for you. Let me show you some examples of what you can do with an Arduino. For example, let's control this light using a light sensor based on if it's dark, we turn the light on. When it's not dark, the light automatically goes off. How about using a temperature sensor to automatically turn the fan on when it's too hot? Or maybe take it to the next level and build a self-driving robot. I'm just showing you the potential here and how far you can take it. I promise we will start from the beginning and we'll start with the simple stuff by blinking an LED in the next video. If you already like what you see, we will build this in the next couple videos and we'll get you to this level really soon. Now, all we need here is an Arduino Nano, a breadboard, and a couple LEDs to get started. So you can get those for really cheap on Amazon. This is called an Arduino Nano. This is it for this video. In the next video, we will start by blinking a simple LED.